Leapfrog Crypto here. Just a quick reminder, all the content here is purely educational, showing you how I use bots in crypto trading. This isn't financial advice, I'm simply sharing my experiences and strategies. Always do your own research before making any investment decisions. Happy trading! Hey everybody, it's Leapfrog. We're back for another basic technical analysis tutorial on trading patterns. We're going to walk you through three of them. Pattern 1 is a bearish head and shoulders, which I'll zoom in and show you. Pattern 2 is a bullish cup and handle. I'm outlining it with my mouse. There's the handle. And pattern 3 is a bullish inverted head and shoulders. Let's start right in with the first pattern. Zooming in on the Bitcoin chart, going back to the top of the 2021 bull run, we see a bearish head and shoulders here. I'm going to draw it. There's a left shoulder, here we have our head, and here we have our right shoulder. As soon as the neckline breaks, you can take the measured move and get a target for the downside. Take that to the bearish candle, and it was quite accurate. We only got down to 28870 on Bitcoin. This target was 24. That is, however, a bearish head and shoulders. The correct way to draw it with TradingView tools would be to come to the menu. It would be under one of these. We will try and find it. There are many options. One has to get quite familiar with TradingView. You end up looking like we are now for it. We'll try and show it a little bit later. Let's go back to our second pattern. This is our cup and handle. I'm going to draw it. There is the handle, here's the cup, and then here is the latest handle for the breakout of the bull run. As soon as this descending trend line is broken, Bitcoin just takes off. The measured move for cup and handle would be from the bottom of the cup to wherever the breakout happened. We could drag that to here, and it would give us a measured move for Bitcoin up to $123,000. Very powerful pattern to trade. And then the final pattern we're going to show you is the inverted head and shoulders. We'll zoom in. This is where the neckline is for illustration. Here is our left shoulder, we have our head, and we have our right shoulder over here. As soon as the neckline is broken, we can take our measured move and drag it to where the price broke out. That would give us a target of $87,000. Once again, these are very powerful indicators and profitable to trade.